In front of everything, I would love to remove my thank you to my watchers. I would not have arrived here if it was not for you. Secondly, I would like to remove my thank you to my creator, who is James Wisden. From the time he drew me and brought me in front of you, he has never left me alone. He has been doing me work like a donkey. Yani, amekuwa akinifanyisha kazi kama punda. But I am thank you for that work cause soon I will be buying a new outfit for Christmas. Also, he has made me a celeb. I see nowadays when I am going around, yani nikipiga maraundi, I have fans. They call me Kenyo, Kenyo. Then they pray me to give them a small thing. Yani, wananiomba kitu kidogo. Thirdly, I would like to remove my thank you to akina keyboard, mouse, graphic card, RAM, hard disk, programs, motherboard, and everything else that has been used to build me. I can tell you they sleep with their eyes open just to make sure that I am finished. Yani hata hawalalagi. Fourthly, I would like to remove my thank you to my homes. Like for example YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Biscuit, etc. You accepted me and you have been housing me from day one. Thank you for giving me a place I can call home. Also, I would like to remove my thank you to the likes of akina masimu, ma TV, ma computer, and any other things that have been used to watch me. Yani vitu zenye zimetumika ndo nionekane kama simu, yani mahali mnanioneaga. And lastly, I would love to remove my thank you to all of my haters for disliking my videos. Continue feeling free to dislike. Also, I give you permission to comment anything you feel to. Yani kitu yote mnajisikia kucomment, mcomment. Thank you all. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Mwiroreri wakwa ngoragwo ngũtambũrĩte ta kĩndũ kĩngĩ. Angĩkorwo ndũ-subscribe-ĩte, rĩu nĩ kahinda gaku ga gũ-subscribe. Ndagĩka, reke ngũhe sekondi 5. Nĩgetha naniĩ rĩu thiĩ cuguri. Nĩ wa subscribe? Ngai wa muoyo akũrathime.